Hi again. If we've had a consult and you are going to be an advanced user, this video tutorial is for you. The original things about pre-setup and having everything around you is all exactly the same, so making sure that everything has been cleaned properly. You boil up your water and then you pop your herbs in and you allow them to steep. The same thing for about 10 minutes. If the difference between a mild setup and an advanced setup is the advanced setup has a heat source underneath your steam chair for the whole time that you're steaming, and ideally you're able to have the controls, so you're able to control the comfort level of the heat. I use a rice cooker, and I've got a heat, and I've got a plug point behind me, and that sits underneath the chair, which I will show you what the chair looks like. And then it's quite simple to actually just pop your hand underneath, keep it on the warm setting, or if it starts getting a little bit too cool for you, you just crank it up again. So advanced users are normally, you haven't been identified as a sensitive user, so please read the tutorial or watch the mild setup so you know that you are not a sensitive user. I'm going to run that through really quickly again because we need to know these things. You're a first timer, you have an IUD, you're not to steam for 30 to 40 minutes, you've got excessive heat in your body, like hot flushes, night sweats, you're a short cycler, less than 27 days, you're prone to infections, you're under 13 years old, you suffer fresh spotting and interim period bleeding. So they are not for you. And again, remember that the 4 elements of you not steaming at all is while you're on your period, if you are pregnant, if you've got an excessive fever, and the one that's in the middle is if you're trying to conceive. You can steam up until you ovulate, and once you inseminate after that ovulation time, you do not steam until you either get your period again, so you know 100% that you are not pregnant, so we're not going to be dislodging an insemination. Okay. If you do have any questions, please reach out to me. It's beautiful to sit for 30 to 40 minutes and steam. You get a lot deeper into your practice. There are ailments like endometriosis, fibroids, polycystic ovarian syndrome, severe cramping, vomiting, and some other ailments that I recommend that you don't just do 6 steams in the month, but you do your steams every second day. But I would have had to have a consult with you for you to know that, and you've got your protocol on hand. Okay, absolute pleasure. Enjoy your steaming.